Ever felt lost in a supermarket because you didn't know what to say in English?
Oh, yes. Last time I said, "Where's the sugar thingy?" And the cashier just stared at me.
Don't worry, Jack. Today we'll fix that.
So after this lesson, I can finally ask for flour, sugar, and toothpaste like a pro.
Exactly. You'll learn real supermarket English, from asking for help to paying at the counter, all in natural conversation.
Perfect. Let's shop and talk like real English speakers.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Talk, your favorite podcast for learning real-life English through natural conversations.
And I'm Jack, your very confused shopper who can never find where the sugar is.
Oh dear Jack, today's lesson is perfect for you and for everyone who ever visits a supermarket.
Which is basically everyone, unless you live in a forest.
Exactly. We'll cover everything from making a shopping list, asking for help, understanding labels, and paying at the checkout.
Great. I might finally stop saying, "Where's the thingy for, the cleaning thing?"
You'll be a supermarket pro by the end of this lesson. Let's start from the beginning, before we even step into the supermarket.
The shopping list. My secret weapon against buying too many crisps.
Exactly. Making a shopping list helps you stay organized. Let's see what's on your list today.
I've got bread, milk, eggs, apples, chicken, washing powder, and biscuits.
I knew biscuits would be there.
Wow, you can't do English tea without biscuits.
True. Now, here are some useful phrases you can use when writing or talking about your shopping list.
I need to buy some bread and milk.
We're running out of sugar.
Don't forget to get some eggs.
Let's stock up on rice.
What does stock up mean?
It means to buy a lot of something so you don't run out soon. Like stocking up on toilet paper during a sale.
The pandemic memories.
Yes. Let's move on before we start crying over pasta shelves.
2. Entering the supermarket.
All right, we're now inside the supermarket. What's the first thing you do, Jack?
I usually grab a trolley, but sometimes if I'm just buying a few things, I take a basket.
Perfect. Trolley in British English or cart in American English?
Yes. I once said trolley in New York, and the cashier looked at me like I was from Mars.
It happens. Different words, same meaning.
Useful vocabulary. Trolley, cart, wheeled basket for shopping. Basket, small handheld container.
Aisle, a passage between shelves.
Checkout, counter where you pay.
Cashier, person who takes your payment.
Receipt, paper showing what you
Okay, Jack, what's the first thing you're looking for?
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
You can always ask for help. Let's practice that.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the bread is?
It's in aisle 5 next to the dairy section.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. That's polite and perfect English. You can also say, "Where can I find the milk? Could you show me the way to the snacks section? Is this on sale?"
On sale. That's my favorite phrase.
Of course. It means something is being sold at a discount price.
Sometimes I meet neighbors or friends at the supermarket. It's like a surprise reunion.
Yes, supermarkets are great for small talk. Let's practice.
Hi, Emma. Fancy seeing you here.
Oh, hello, Jack. Doing some shopping?
Yes, just picking up a few things for dinner. How about you?
Same here. I'm looking for some fresh vegetables.
Great. Maybe I'll cook something healthy too.
Let's see how long that motivation lasts.
Small talk phrases. Hi, how are you? What are you shopping for today? It's really busy today, isn't it? These apples look fresh. Have you tried this brand before?
Okay, listeners, time for a quick quiz. Question 1. You can't find the eggs. What do you say to a staff member?
Excuse me, could you tell me where the eggs are?
Perfect! Question 2. What's the British word for shopping cart? Reading
Trolley.
labels and comparing products.
I always get confused by labels. Low fat, sugar free, organic. It's like studying for an exam.
You're right, but let's make it easier. Here are some common words you'll see on product labels. Label word, meaning. Low fat, contains less fat. Sugar free, no added sugar. Organic, grown naturally, no chemicals. Expiry date, the date after which food shouldn't be eaten. Ingredients, what's inside the product.
And always check the expiration date. Once I bought milk that expired the same day. Tragic story.
Oh no! Yes, always check before buying.
At the checkout.
Hello, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
That'll be £24.50, please.
Here you go. I'll pay by card.
Thank you. Please insert your card and enter your PIN.
Done.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you are. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
Useful checkout phrases. I'd like to pay by card. Do you accept contactless? Can I get a bag, please? Keep the change.
Talking about
Can I have a
prices
receipt and discounts?
Sometimes I see signs like buy one, get one free. What's that called?
That's a promotion or special offer. It's used to attract customers.
And half price means 50% off, right?
Exactly. And you can say, is there a discount on this? Do you have a loyalty card? Can I use my points?
Grammar focus. Countable and uncountable nouns.
When shopping, it's important to know what's countable or uncountable. Countable are apples, eggs, bottles, cans. Uncountable are milk, rice, sugar, bread.
So I say a bottle of milk, not a milk.
Perfect.
Quick practice. Describing your shopping.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I bought some apples and a bottle of milk. I need a loaf of bread and some butter. I'm looking for a packet of rice.
These are so useful for daily conversations.
After shopping.
Shopping done. But now I realize I forgot the eggs again.
Classic Jack.
Every time.
You can say, I forgot to buy the eggs, or I left them off my list.
Next time I'll make a better list and maybe bring you to help me with.
Deal. Today, we learned how to make a shopping list, ask for help politely, read labels and prices, speak at the checkout, use countable and uncountable nouns.
And how not to forget the eggs.
Exactly.
Thanks for joining us today on Smart English Talk.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family.
And tell us in the comments, what do you usually buy when you go shopping?
We'll read your answers in the next episode. Until next time, happy shopping and keep learning English naturally.
Bye for now.